Hi children, today we are going to do your geography lesson number 12, Coral Reefs. I hope today's lesson will be very interesting for you all. Now shall we begin the lesson?
Coral reefs. Coral reefs described as underwater garden and also called rainforest of the ocean. There you can see rainbow-like colors, intricate shapes, exotic creatures, and it's a rich habitat. That's why we call it as a rainforest of the ocean. Next subtopic, what is corals? There are two main groups of corals. Hard corals, which has a hard outer skeleton made out of calcium carbonate. Soft corals, which has small amount of calcium carbonate within it. Those are just like seaweeds or plants. And the other important thing is, all these corals are made up of tiny animals known as polyps. In this picture, you can see cross-section of a coral polyps. Have you ever wondered how do coral reef form? It's a very interesting process. Thousands of coral polyps connected together and make a coral colony. Coral colonies connected together and make coral reef. There are 3 different coral reefs in the world. Those are barrier reef, atolls, fringing reef. Students, you can read more information and examples in this slide. Now we are going to learn about what are the uses of coral reefs. Students, I have mentioned here few of them, such as income, medicinal value, protection, food, tourism, and commercial products such as cosmetics. So you can leisurely read and learn more information from here. Students, in this slide also I have mentioned about the uses of coral reef. So you can read and gather more information. Threats to coral reefs. Coral reefs in Sri Lanka and elsewhere in the tropical world are under threat due to natural forces and the action of man. In this slide, you can learn few of them. Global warming, climate change, overfishing, destructive fishing methods, coastal development, recreational activities, pollution, and also coral diseases are some of them. And in the last picture, you can clearly see how coral reefs have been threatened during the time period of 2008 to 2017. My dear students, it's very sad to see these pictures, isn't it? Yes, these pictures show you what are the man's activities which cause to the destruction of the coral reef. Our next topic, seagrass beds, which we can see between the beaches and the coral reefs. It covered the sea floor with dense growth of plants. Okay students, now we have come to the end of the lesson. How to protect the coral reef for future generation. Here I will discuss about the national and international regulations. Coral should not be collected either alive or dead. No new constructions of building shall be permitted within 200 meters of the seashore. Dredging and underwater blasting in and around coral formation shall not be permitted. I think as a grade 5 students, you can develop your good attitudes towards the environment and help to protect our environment. Before we wind up, I want to draw your attention toward this map. Coral reefs around Sri Lanka. Students, you can get a rough idea about the location of coral reefs in Sri Lanka by referring this map. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you all have learned a lot of things about coral reefs. Students, now you can complete your activities and don't forget to send it before the due date. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.